Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to extract a zip file in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To extract a zip file on Windows 11 computer, go to the File Explorer, select the zip file which you want to extract. Right click on the zip file, and here you will find extract all. Click on extract all, and you'll find here the location where you want to extract the file. I'm not changing the location here. If you want to change, you can click on browse and select the location. I'm not changing the location. Click on extract, and look, the file is extracted here, and the extracted folder is created on the same location where I have the zip file. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.